Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive elegant collections only for you with great offer price. So let me display very exclusive one, outstanding collections today. This one is tissue muslin, very soft, summer friendly, and fully hand weaving design. Let me display and very exclusive one based for your party wear. This one full base part, pure handloom tissue muslin with beautiful hand weaving design. This one border portion muslin border and fully contrast color thread weaving design, jamdani work border. And this one full base part transparent tissue muslin have sign also based for your party wear. This elegant party looks. This one is full base part, beautiful jamdani border. This one is muslin with jamdani border, and this portion is tissue muslin. Very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very nice looks. This one is pallu portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, and pallu end is golden zari highlighted stripes, very smart, elegant, bright, fresh looks. This one is full base tissue muslin, exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, different color, only very nice color combinations. Let me open. Oranges peach shade tissue muslin base, pure handloom elegant exclusive collections today. This one full base part based for your party wear obviously. And this one border portions muslin with hand weaving jamdani work border. And this one full base part is tissue muslin base, very elegant trendy looks, transparent material. And this one pallu portions, beautiful hand weaving design work pallu, and pallu end is golden zari highlighted stripes, very trendy and elegant looks, and beautiful color combinations have sign also based for your party wear. This one is border, and this one is full base part tissue muslin, premium quality, soft, comfortable, summer friendly also, and very lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, same material, same pattern, very elegant color, exclusive one. This one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part, and this one border portions fully muslin base with fully hand weaving jamdani work border. And this one pallu portions highlighted fully hand weaving design jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu, and pallu end is highlighted golden zari stripes, very smart and elegant looks, very nice one. This one is full base part, and this one full base is beautiful elegant looks, transparent tissue muslin exclusive color. And this one is border portions fully muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also very nice one, exclusive collections, and very smart trendy also, matka with resham combined work, very nice one. This one is beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving work, fully hand weaving design. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving stripes pattern, fully hand weaving stripes. And this one is border portions, fully hand weaving border design, very smart trendy looks. This one is full base, exclusive outstanding one. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving stripes line golden zari weaving. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very nice one. This one is a highlighted matka stripes with resham base jamdani work pallu, golden zari hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive outstanding looks. Base is resham, golden zari weaving, hand weaving stripes, and this portion is pallu, matka stripes with beautiful highlighted jamdani work. Pallu very trendy, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, fresh, gorgeous looks. Very elegant one. Really exclusive one, beautiful color combinations, white base, of white base, pure resham silk, hand weaving, fine weaving border design. This one full base part, very nice elegant looks. This one is border portions, fully hand weaving highlighted border, fine weaving design border, and this one full base part pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving golden zari hand weaving stripes pattern, full base part, and base part is pure resham silk, soft, comfortable, elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, very highlighted one, matka stripes with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work, pallu pure resham silk with jamdani work, very exclusive, outstanding looks. Highlighted matka stripes with beautiful hand weaving golden zari weaving work. And this one full base part, very exclusive one. This one is full base pure resham silk, and this portion is matka with hand weaving stripes work, fully golden zari weaving stripes. Very trendy, smart look, resham with matka combined work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, elegant, fresh, bright looks. And this one also very beautiful color combinations, very nice one, pink shade, magenta pink shade, and pure resham silk with sequin pocket, sequin border design, very exclusive, outstanding looks. This one full base part pure resham silk, premium quality, and this portion is pocket sequin design work, border portion, this portion is border, fully sequin design, self sequin design. And this one is full base part transparent resham silk with golden and silver zari weaving butta design. And this one pallu portions, pallu also very highlighted one, sequin design. This portion is pocket sequin design, self sequin with golden and silver zari fine weaving work, fully hand weaving, very exclusive, outstanding looks. This one is full base magenta pink shade, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one border portions, this one is border portions, and full base part is beautiful golden and silver zari weaving butta design, very nice looks. This one is full base part transparent and very lightweight, only 300 gram weight. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, gorgeous looks. And this one also matka base, pure handloom hand spun matka with beautiful savory work, very nice one, feather like, soft, comfortable. This one is full base part, this one is full base part pure handloom matka, very soft, comfortable, feather like, soft with beautiful savory work, savory printed work, very nice one, smart, bright looks with beautiful pom-pom beads, pom-pom design pallu in. And this one is full base part is same savory work, very exclusive, outstanding looks. This one is full base part pure handloom hand spun matka, feather like, soft with beautiful savory work, very nice one, bright, fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, bright looks, very elegant also. And this one also, you know, exclusive one, pure resham silk with gicha work. Let me open. Very nice and trendy, smart looks. Transparent pure resham silk with gicha weaving design, gicha silk weaving design, diagonally stripes work. Very trendy one and bright, fresh looks. 1 inch highlighted golden zari border, premium quality, soft golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving stripes, fully gicha weaving stripes diagonally, and full base part is beautiful butta work also. These are fully hand weaving butta and diagonally stripes by gicha silk, and this one is pure resham silk, very soft one, summer friendly also, and transparent material, pure resham silk. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, matka base, pure silk material with silk mark also. And this one is matka running blouse piece, pure matka. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful highlighted one, fully resham silk base with gicha silk stripes design, weaving stripes design pallu. Very nice looks, exclusive one, bright fresh looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving, heavy weaving Banarasi butta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding fresh gorgeous looks. Also, you know, very beautiful and elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, very elegant color combinations with golden zari, premium quality, soft golden zari weaving work. This one, you know, full base part, very smart look. This one is full base, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka base. And this one, you know, border portions, very smart hand weaving border design, fully golden zari, smart weaving border. And this one, you know, pallu part also very beautiful, smart hand weaving design work, pallu very soft, comfortable, feather like soft, very exclusive one. This one, you know, full base part, and this one is smart weaving border design, and base part is pure handloom, hand spun matka base. This one is full base part, and pallu end is beautiful beads pom-pom design. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece plain, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright fresh looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with work, fully hand weaving work, golden zari border, and full border portions, heavy work, you know. This one is border, golden zari border, and full border portions, smart hand weaving, traditional hand weaving design work border. And this one, you know, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka base, off white base with heavy work border, very trendy and traditional look, smart and traditional, and beautiful hand weaving design. This one is running blouse piece stripes, and this one is, you know, highlighted border, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy, smart hand weaving design work, pallu very bright, fresh, elegant looks. This one, you know, full pallu portions, heavy work, and this one is border portions, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive, outstanding, smart and elegant looks. Very beautiful one, elegant color combinations also, matka base, hand weaving butta design, contrast color border, very smart, trendy, bright looks. This one, you know, three color set. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful matka base, 3 layers color set with beautiful hand weaving butta design, very smart, elegant looks, fully hand weaving work, very soft, comfortable. And this one, you know, pallu portions, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful weaving butta design pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very trendy, fresh looks. This one is full base part. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, golden zari fine stripes, and this one is full base but very exclusive, outstanding, traditional looks. And I will suggest this silk material, gold silver base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this zari for your outstanding, bright, fresh looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, smart and traditional hand weaving design, very exclusive one. Base part is premium quality, pure handloom matka base. This one is very export quality exclusive matka base, and this one is beautiful hand weaving design, contrast color, 1-inch highlighted golden zari border, contrast red piping, and full border portion, smart hand weaving design work, fully hand weaving, fine and very soft, comfortable, premium quality. And this one, pallu portions, fully fine weaving design. This weaving a Dhakai pattern weaving design, heavy worked pallu, and fully hand weaving design, and very soft, comfortable, export elegant one. This export quality elegant one, very beautiful one. This one is premium quality, fine soft one, and this one is full base, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. And this one, running blouse piece, contrast color with stripes pattern, and this one is full base part, very nice looks, exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, elegant party looks. And this one also, very beautiful, bright one, pure matka Banarasi work, very nice one. Bright fresh looks, based for your party wear, wedding functions, very gorgeous looks. This one, matka base, parchment shade and contrast color border with beautiful fine hand weaving Banarasi work border, fully fine hand weaving design. And this one, full base part, golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design, heavy worked butta, full base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, very nice one, contrast color with heavy weaving design work, pallu, bright fresh looks, based for your party wear, fully hand weaving Banarasi work, soft one, summer friendly also. And this one is highlighted border. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, gorgeous party looks. Very beautiful, bright looks, black base, premium quality, pure handloom, resham silk jamdani, very exclusive, outstanding looks. Let me open this one, full base part, pure resham silk jamdani. This one is full base, and this one, border portions, beautiful contrast color, threaded weaving design, hand weaving, fine hand weaving design, jamdani work, fully hand weaving work. And this one, full base part, pure resham silk with weaving butta design, full base part, very soft, comfortable, only 300 gram weight, pure resham silk jamdani. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions with silk mark also. This one is pallu portions, beautiful golden zari highlighted stripes with jamdani work pallu, pure resham silk jamdani with silk mark also. This one is full pallu portions, hand weaving jamdani work. And this one, full base part, very soft, comfortable, transparent, pure resham silk jamdani. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous party looks. And this one also, a beautiful one, pure resham silk with jamdani work, very nice looks, elegant color combination, soft, sober looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, peach pink shade, and hand weaving, fine hand weaving jamdani work, border portions, fully fine hand weaving work, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very smart, trendy and elegant looks, pure resham silk jamdani. And this one, pallu portions, very nice looks. This one is pallu, highlighted fine hand weaving, heavy worked pallu, fully fine hand weaving design. This portion is contrast color, threaded weaving, fine design, handwork, hand weaving design pallu. And this one, full base part, pure resham silk jamdani, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive, outstanding looks. And this one, pure resham silk transparent. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, traditional, trendy looks. in this one also, you know, very beautiful bright one, handloom matka base with weaving design, very exclusive hand weaving design, you know. Border portion is weaving Banarasi work and pallu portion is Paithani work, very exclusive one. The bottle green set pure handloom matka base, and this one, you know, border portions contrast color with fine golden zari weaving design Banarasi work border. This portion is Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta, hand weaving buta by Gicha silk buta design, very exclusive outstanding looks. And this portion, you know, pallu portions fully hand weaving Paithani work pallu, very exclusive combinations Banarasi with Paithani, trendy one, elegant, obviously bright gorgeous looks. And this one, you know, full base part Gicha silk weaving buta work, very highlighted one in bottle green set, matka base Banarasi border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding trendy traditional looks. So, you know, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka, feather like soft with beautiful weaving design, sivori work, also sivori print work. Let me open. Base color is blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka base. And this one, you know, full base part, resham stripes with silk sequin stripe pocket weaving design sequin work. These are resham silk, pure resham silk with sequin design, silk sequin design, full base part, very bright looks. And this one, you know, pallu portions pure resham silk with sequin stripes design with beautiful hand weaving work, very nice looks. And pom-pom design also, pallu in beads pom-pom. And this portion is resham silk with beautiful hand weaving design, very smart trendy looks. And this one, you know, full base part resham sequin stripes, silk sequin stripes with beautiful sivori print, very trendy looks and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part pure handloom hand spun matka. These are resham stripes, sequin, silk sequin, weaving sequin design. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. Also, a very beautiful one, baby pink base, pure resham silk with jamdani with weaving, diagonally weaving design work. Let me open, very smart weaving work, you know. This one is full base part is heavy work. This one is full base part pure resham silk. This one is highlighted golden zari border, 1 inch border, soft one, smart looks, highlighted half-inch golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful golden zari fine weaving diagonally stripes work, very bright elegant looks and beautiful color combinations, baby pink base. And this one, you know, pallu portions beautiful base part is same diagonally work, hand weaving, and pallu end is highlighted golden zari stripes and pure resham silk transparent. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations with diagonally weaving design work, fully hand weaving. This one is matka running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, half-inch highlighted golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving work, very trendy and fashionable looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright smart looks. This one also, you know, same material, same pattern, different color only, pure resham silk, golden zari highlighted half-inch golden zari piping, and full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving design stripes work, diagonally stripes, very trendy and smart looks. This one is pallu end highlighted golden zari stripes, and this one, you know, running blouse piece matka base, and this one is full base part, very exclusive outstanding looks, transparent golden zari weaving diagonally stripes work, and base part is beautiful buta running blouse piece, and this one is full base part transparent pure resham silk work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one gorgeous looks, bright bottle green shade and fully hand weaving work, premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka base with the beautiful silk sequin design. This portion is a base part, pure handloom hand spun matka, very soft comfortable one with resham stripes, and this portion is border portions beautiful work, fully hand weaving work, pocket sequin weaving design, highlighted border. This portion is border, beautiful looks, and this one is base part pure resham silk stripes, and this one is border resham silk stripes with pocket sequin silk sequin design, very nice and fully hand weaving. And this one is full base part, bright looks, highlighted border, and full base part is resham stripes, and base is handloom hand spun matka base. And this one pallu portion, very exclusive one. This one is pallu portions pure resham silk with highlighted sequin pocket sequin stripes work and beautiful silver zari hand weaving jamdani work, and pallu end is beautiful beads pompon, fully designer piece, fully hand weaving exclusive collection. And I will suggest this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, elegant color combinations also, pure resham silk highlighted 1-inch golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful sequin design, very elegant exclusive one. This one full base part, and this one border portions golden zari border and pure resham silk base with beautiful sequin design, very elegant exclusive looks. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari lines with beautiful sequin pocket sequin weaving design with beautiful weaving buta design, fully fine hand weaving work. This one is pure resham silk base and very exclusive outstanding looks. This one full base part, elegant color combinations, golden zari border, and full base part is pocket sequin stripes design, silk sequin stripes, very nice one, elegant looks, bright one, pure resham silk sequin work. And this one is running blouse piece, pure matka base, very exclusive outstanding fresh gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom export quality hand spun matka base with golden zari border, grayish shade, blackish gray shade with beautiful hand weaving work with silk mark also, export quality matka base. This one is border golden zari border and grayish blackish gray shade with beautiful hand weaving buta design, silver zari with contrast color, thread weaving combined work, buta design, full base part, very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very nice one, pure resham silk pallu, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful smart hand weaving buta design. This portion is pure resham silk pallu end with beautiful hand weaving buta design, and this one is full base part, very elegant trinity looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous fresh looks. This one also same material, same pattern, bright maroon shade, reddish maroon, and golden zari border and hand spun matka base with beautiful hand weaving buta design, very smart hand weaving buta, silver zari weaving buta, gicha weaving buta, very trendy and elegant looks. And base part is pure handloom hand spun matka base, golden zari border, bright red shade with beautiful weaving buta design, silver zari gicha weaving weaving, Gicha silk weaving, contrast butta, and this one pure resham silk pallu with beautiful weaving butta design, very smart hand weaving butta, very trendy looks. And this one full base part, beautiful bright ready set with beautiful weaving butta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is running blouse piece stripes pattern, and full base part is fine weaving butta work, pure handloom hand spun matka with weaving design, very trendy looks, bright one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy bright gorgeous looks, gorgeous party looks. It's in a very beautiful, bright, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk with jamdani work, very nice one, exclusive collection. This one full base part, and this one is full base pure resham silk with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work, very nice looks. This one is full base part, pure resham silk with jamdani work, very nice one, soft one, smart looks, only 300 gram weight, and beautiful hand weaving jamdani butta bird motif, very nice one, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu end is highlighted stripes, very elegant fresh looks, gorgeous also traditional looks, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk with jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani, fine jamdani work, and transparent material, silk with silk mark also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding traditional trendy looks. And this one also very exclusive, smart, elegant looks, fancy looks also, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk and matka. This one full upper base part half portion is pure resham silk with leaf motif sequin design. These are sequin work, very trendy smart looks. And this one half portion premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka, and this portion is pure resham with sequin design, very trendy elegant looks. This one is matka base, hand spun matka, split section. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pure resham silk with sequin design, very exclusive, outstanding smart looks. This one is fully pure resham silk with sequin with silk mark also, very trendy, traditional and elegant looks, and beautiful color combinations, baby pink shade, nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and elegant looks. And this one also very exclusive traditional looks and very elegant unique color combinations, pure handloom matka with resham combined work, very exclusive one. This one full base part, premium quality, soft golden zari border, and matka with resham stripes design, full base part. This portion is matka, this portion is resham with jamdani butta, again matka stripes, again resham stripes with jamdani work, same pattern, full base part, very exclusive traditional looks. And this one pallu portions, pure resham silk with beautiful fine hand weaving design work pallu, pure resham silk base. This one is pallu end with beautiful hand weaving work, very elegant traditional trendy looks. And this one split section patli pallu pattern. This one is splits, pure resham silk with heavy design work, fully hand weaving work. This one is beautiful fine hand weaving, same like pallu. And this one is upper base part matka with resham stripes, and resham portion jamdani butta. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very traditional trendy elegant looks, patli pallu pattern. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. So you know, same material, beautiful bright color combinations, orange shade, matka, resham combined work, very exclusive one, bright fresh looks, golden zari border, premium quality, pure handloom matka base with resham stripes, very nice one. This portion is matka stripes, this portion is resham with jamdani work, beautiful hand weaving jamdani, and again matka stripes, again resham stripes, same pattern, top upper base part. And this one, you know, pallu portion is very beautiful one, pure resham silk with hand weaving, heavy work pallu, fully golden zari fine weaving design work pallu. This one is pallu part, and this one is, you know, split section patli pallu pattern. This portion is pleats, golden zari border, resham silk with heavy weaving design, splits. This one is upper base part, matka and resham stripes, and this one is pallu, same patli pallu pattern, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one is pallu part, beautiful one, same like pleats, patli pallu, resham with beautiful hand weaving fine work. And this one is, you know, upper base part, matka with resham stripes work, and resham portion is hand weaving jamdani buta, very trendy, smart, elegant looks, based for your party wear, very gorgeous looks also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. And this one also, you know, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, contrast color piping without running blouse piece, only saree length with beautiful exclusive hand weaving buta design, multi-color weaving buta. And this one is full base part, premium quality, export quality khadi base, soft, comfortable with beautiful hand weaving buta design. And this one, you know, pallu portions, premium quality and fully hand weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very soft, lightweight, only 300 gram weight, pure premium quality, export quality khadi base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one, you know, very beautiful smart one, and very nice color combinations, tasar silk with jamdani buta, golden zari border, very smart and elegant looks, you know, fully hand weaving and handloom tasar silk with the golden zari border. This one is beautiful golden zari hand weaving, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, contrast color threaded weaving design, and tasar silk base, fully handloom hand weaving. And this one, you know, pallu portions, very highlighted one, contrast color threaded weaving design, jamdani work pallu, very fully hand weaving, very smart, bright, trendy looks, trendy and elegant looks. And this one, you know, full base part, very fresh one, very lightweight also. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design. These are hand weaving buta, tasar silk. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive, outstanding, smart and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, trendy looks. So, you know, very beautiful and exclusive collections, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk with jamdani buta work, very smart and elegant looks, contrast color border. This one, you know, full base part, pure premium quality resham silk, soft one, resham silk base, contrast color border. And this one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving, fine hand weaving buta design, multicolor weaving buta, very trendy, smart, bright looks. This one is, you know, upper base part, pure resham silk, and this one is hand spun matka base, half matka, half resham jamdani. This one is matka base, this portion is matka, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is resham, pure resham silk with jamdani buta, very trendy traditional looks. And And this one, pallu portions, beautiful one, resham silk golden zari highlighted stripes, and pallu in this matka base, very trendy, traditional, elegant looks, beautiful one. This portion, transparent pure resham silk with jamdani, fine hand weaving jamdani buta, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And today I have taken a bright color saree, matka base, and beautiful hand weaving stripes design, multi-color hand weaving stripes design, full base part. Full base part is same hand weaving stripes work, fine weaving design, and base part is matka base, bright blue shade, and full base part is stripes. And this one, highlighted pallu, very elegant, bright looks, gicha silk weaving design, fine weaving design pallu with highlighted contrast color weaving stripes, very trendy, traditional looks, and bright color combinations, blue shade, royal blue shade with beautiful work and bright color combinations, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.